Hi friends, welcome back. Here today I'm going to tell you that how my history was. When I started English learning, it was very difficult to me because of I got a lot of problems. I'm from hill areas and in my village areas there is no any environment of English learning, right? And I haven't studied from the government schools and which are becoming the exceptional today. But I will tell you that this is not unfortunate if you really have the courage or you have your self awareness. So English is very easy. I would say that this is the cup of tea, right? How it is possible? In my life, when I started it, I was very scared and not a good guy because of I was shy and sentimental based. So whenever some people ask me something and I have to face the people, so I was very shy and was not feeling good, right? But when I thought about this and my brothers they just told me about this that you should learn English and it's very good for you. So yeah, it was a positive case in my mind, but I was not thinking more about that, right? But when I came to graduate level, first year, second year, so I was really impressed with the English because of I got some people, some abroad people, I mean say some foreigners. They were from America. They were discussing something, and I had been there in the temple Badrinath, right? And I helped them somewhere like tea, coffee, and room like this, So it was a time that when they were asking me something, so I was getting that what they are missing, but I was not able to reply very well, right? And this was the time which was the key moment, and it told me that I should do something different. And I today I see that a lot of people are speaking English and they have good grammar, they are good to understand, but they commit the mistakes, right? They do the mistakes mostly in the grammar, right? So but I can tell you that if you learn English in my ideas, so your sentences won't be wrong. 90% at least you could be very correct for the grammar, right? So that's we tried and we practiced. I have some tricks of the English that how I can what I did the just I got the root of grammar, how the method there is and how they are made. I practiced them at the home because of I was unlucky that that time there was no any smartphones. So I had to do one thing. I would just get on the wall. I was getting my mirror, and I was just watching myself and practicing that. It was very difficult, but yeah, in today life you are really lucky, guys. You have smartphone, you can record your voice anywhere now. So it was difficult because of in my room many times some other guy friends were coming and my colleagues were coming, so I was getting interruption, right? So but the smartphone, you can do anything anywhere, you can start it, right? This is a big thing today. I feel you are lucky, guys, but maybe you are not thinking like that. But I say that you must think it, and it's very good. You are lucky, guys. This is the big boon for you, and you can easily handle yourself now. You can learn English much better. I can say the big thing is that your smartphone completely makes you much better, but you must think it. You should be positive with the smartphone. You must be really just think about the future, how you can make your future much better and how you can help. Smartphone gives you a lot of things and opportunities like for the jobs and like making your videos. But once you learn it, if you have better grammar, better learning, definitely anything you can do in very small period of time, right? So this is today what I'm saying to you, that it is experience of my life, that because of being from the backward areas like hill areas, it is a bit difficult to us. But today with the smartphone it's not tough because of there's no big difference among between two person. One is from Delhi or Mumbai or America, and one is from Garhwal region at backward areas, because of smartphone clears that. So you are lucky, guys. So dear, this is the great time today. You really can impress it. I have some methods that how you can do English much better and how you can make things much easier. So I have given some ideas and some ways and some methods. You can follow them. Even you can question that if you have what kind of problem you are facing, I'll help you, because of I can easily say because of 10 years plus I am continuously teaching. This is a great time. I have been 2008, so it's a great time. It's a long time. So it's good. I can give you a lot of ideas and how can do, and like how can make impressive English. Communication with the base of grammar. Within that, how you can get the inflows right. Some kind of, you have need of tricks that how you can spell out, how you can speak English much better with the style. So these are things that what you follow, American, British, or like that. These are the ways. But I think that there's no yourself own way that you really believe and you would like to do. That should be very clear and that should be kept on. Okay. And the big thing that is, so you are the really owner of your own, so you can design your mindset of what you do, even what do you really wish to do in your life and what way, right? But English makes you much better and comfortable because of English has the we can say the worldwide language. This is the worldwide language. That's why you could easily enhance yourself and you can discuss the people and you can get in touch of all those guys, and when you are getting your knowledge, and even on the internet you can do many things because of on internet you have the ways, key ways from which you can easily handle yourself and you can try to get the big knowledge, and you can even give out like giving the by the bloggers, by the website, by the social media. Different platforms are there from which you can also give ideas. That's why I mean, say if you don't have job, even you can create the job, right? This is a good way, but once you first learn English very proper with us in our channel. Thank you, good day.